Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Discord. You will go to settings here as you see. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Discord app and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.